Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I have a Dollar Tree haul to share. I picked up some more of these salt and pepper shakers. I love these little things, they are so cute. So my store is changing prices also, like the rest of the world. But I do have items that are still $1.25, so I'm happy with that one. And these salt and pepper shakers, you get 6 in a package, and I did pick up 5 more packages. I do own 1 package already, so I now have 6. But look at this. Aren't these adorable? They are plastic. It looks like it's glass, right? Isn't that cute? I have an idea in mind, and I needed more of these. I went specifically to the Dollar Tree to pick some more up. Yeah, I love these. They're so cute. So besides that, I also picked up other items, of course. I will let you know if I paid more than $1.25 for the items I picked up. So this one was still $1.25, and it's the 3 compartment organizers. And I needed this for crafting items. You know, put lots of goodies in there. And yeah, it's going to stay here on my crafting table. I also needed another one of these. Now, I did hear that all this cleaning products is going to go up, but in my store it's still $1.25, and this is the lint roller, and there are different quantities when you go shop for this, so be aware. And I picked up the one that had the most, which is 75 sheets. Yeah, I gotta pick up all the glitter off my table, you know. It's very helpful. I also picked these up. See, I took it out of the bag. These are neon mini cups, and it's a 1 fluid ounces, and you get 24 cups in a package. Look, you get the neon green, the neon pink, and the neon orange. I do have a project in mind, and I needed this. Well, I didn't realize I needed it until I saw it at the store. So I got those. And then I picked this up too. There's a reason why I still have it wrapped. Look at this. It's a pineapple. And what this is a balloon weight. It's quite heavy. So you just tie your balloon here and then let it do its thing. But I needed a pineapple, and this is the only one I could find at Dollar Tree. I did check other stores to see if I can find myself a pineapple. Oh, I got something stuck on my fingertip here. There we go. That's off. But yeah, I think I can pull this out and do a little adjustment to this pineapple. But how cute, right? Isn't that pretty? And then look at this, the fallout on the glitter. Yeah, that's why it's still in the bag. I thought I only needed 1 of these, but you know, now that I'm looking at it, I feel like I should have picked up maybe 3. I don't know, we'll see. I also picked these up. These are the inflatable cup holders. Look at this. It's the seahorse. Isn't that cute? Let's see. This one is 8.75 inches. I think they mean like from the nose to the other length of the cubby. What do you call it? The cup holder? I'm guessing. But look at that. Isn't that cute? So I got the seahorse. I picked up this one. This one is the mermaid. I like that one. The mermaid is 10.5 inches. And then this one, this is the island with the palm tree. And this one is 9.5 inches. I have a project in mind and I will share this with you. I just thought they're so adorable. Now, there are more of these cup holders, so when you go to your store, you have to take a look. In my store, they just threw everything in one box, so I had to go digging. I did find some new pins by Zebra. So this is a metallic gel stick pin, and they are medium point at 0.8 millimeters. So we have the like a green and a fuchsia color. This one is the maybe a turquoise and a purple. And then this is the gold and silver. I always need gold and silver, so I should have picked up a couple of these. Because you know when Christmas comes around, I like to use the gel pens to write. I don't know why that is, but I seem to use it more around the Christmas holiday season than any other time. But so anyways, I picked up just the one. And then these gel pens, it says they're smooth, skipless writing. I don't know. I've never experienced skipping while I was writing, but you know, it's one helpful step when writing, right? Oh, look, I found this new nail polish too. Look, I'm wearing it. This is a 957, the number for this nail polish. Oh, look, let me share with you. Look at this. It's Halloween. I'm so happy. Halloween florals at my Dollar Tree now. Look at this. It's a black vine and it has purple glitter on there. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I picked out 4 picks of these. Now, all my florals were $1.75. So what they do at the Dollar Tree is put a red sticker on the pricing, or they'll just take a Sharpie and mark it out. But yeah, these are all $1.75. Now, these vines, they come in a different color. It's all black vines, but you get some with the red glitter, green. No, not green. Let me think here. Orange glitter and red glitter. And then they have one that's just plain black. And of course, they also have this purple one. I like them. They're so cute. I picked out 4 picks. And then, let's see. Let me show you the Halloween one first. I picked this up, look. These are dahlia clips. And then these are also $1.75. And grab my ruler. These are quite large. Look at this. 6 inches across. And it has a spider in the center. Look at that. It's purple dahlia. Oh, so gorgeous. See, it has that clip in there, so you can just clip it onto whatever. Or if you like, you can always take the clip off and put a stem on here, and you'll get a floral dahlia on a stick. Like if you want to like put it in a vase or whatever. So they have this one. This one's like all purplish. And then this one has black tips. See? So, you know, kind of pay attention if you're purchasing these. But I don't mind it. Look, they go together really well. You got the purple one, and then you got the purple with the black. I like them. I did pick up 3 each of the colors. And then these also come in other colors. Now, I was digging through the box, so I didn't really pay too much attention to see all the colors that came in the box. I think there was an orange one. It's possible it was red. I should have paid better attention. But yeah, I got those. Those are cute, right? I like those. And then the next flowers I picked up, I'm going to use them for Halloween, but they are the autumn floral picks. See what I mean? They got the red stickers. Look. I like this. They're purple flowers with like a dark center. And you see, look, let me grab my floral. See how well it goes together? Isn't that gorgeous? And then I also picked up this one. This is also a harvest floral pick. And then these are mums. What is this one called? Dripping Blossom. So the mums, look, I picked it up because it's like a peachy flower, but then it has like purple spots in there. You know, it works really well together. See there? Isn't that awesome? I'm quite happy to see Halloween at my Dollar Tree. I'm excited to see all the new stuff coming out. And then just for your information, they're also putting out back to school at the front of the store. So this is where I found the new pins at, in the new back to school section. I can't wait. I do need to continue to look for a pocket calendar. I bought one, but I didn't realize that there's no section on that pocketbook to write addresses. I don't know how that happened, but I will keep a watch out for it. I did find some pocketbooks in the back to school section, but they were for 2026 and 2027. What I need is one for 2025. Isn't that how it goes though, right? Oh, and then I almost forgot. I bought a treat for myself. Look. This is the chocolate covered raisins. I bought one box of the dark chocolate and one box of the milk chocolate. I love these. I already opened the milk chocolate, so I won't share with that one with you, but you know. I left it in the other room because I was snacking already. But I love these raisins. They're so delicious. And that is everything that I picked up on my trip to Dollar Tree this week. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.